here? Wow, there's a lot. Look. It's a lot. There.
I do something silly like that, you laugh hysterically.
Sweetheart, my gloves is in the old house. My gloves is in the old house. Okay. Hey guys, it's already 6 p.m. and we're going to the old house. We're going to mow the grass and then we're going to clean some of our stuff. So it'll be late in the afternoon. I'm sexy. Sweetheart, you're sexy. Do we need to bring anything? Or you got everything you need? So. Naka-hat. Look, sweetheart, we're both wearing hat.
Yeah. We're both wearing my hats.
Yeah, thanks. Oh my, it's hot. It's warm, baby. It's not warm, it's hot.
Yeah, exactly.
It's not warm, it's hot.
You're exactly right.
Oh wow. He forgot to close the garage. Let's open natin yung window. Ang init, kaloka. Parang summer na, spring pa lang. Where is he? No. I said no because you're telling me something not good. Our car is dirty again.
It's almost better than ours.
You want me to check the mail? Let us check the mail. If there is a mail from... Let us check the mail if there is a mail from Charles' girlfriend. Hey guys, mag-check tayo ng mail. Ayun, may wild animals. Ano yun? Ano meron sa mail? Wow! Walang laman. There is a wild animals. Baby, there is a wild animals. Like card. Gift card from bulk.
It's a discount.
Yeah, discount card. From May 17 to 20. Oh, we should buy that gift this 17 or 20, sweetheart. So that there's a lot of discount. Because
all of this looks good.
yeah,
the only thing I would say is that you really don't have to spray anything on the other side because the cows will usually eat it. I mean, it's fine. It, you know, it keeps it from, you know, growing, but the cows will eat it. It looks a lot better than, makes it a lot easier to mow the grass.
oh my goodness. So it is so wide. Ang selan talaga ng asawa ko. Kahit hindi pa naman mataas yung damo, gusto nang mag-mower ulit. Sayang sa gasolina. Ang mahal-mahal ng gasolina, diba? Ganyan siya. Sobrang selan kaya niyan. Kahit maligo yan, tuwing tapos ligo, pupunasan lahat ng salamin kasi ayaw niya yung parang may, anong tawag dun? Yung parang ano ng tubig, yung pisik-pisik ba yun? Hindi ko alam. Basta yung tubig sa ano, sa salamin. Naku, ayaw na ayaw niya yan. Kaya pagtapos naligo, kahit sobrang nagmamadali, talagang pupunasan niya yan, guys. Ayan. So, magmamawer na naman. Tapos ako mag-ano ng weeds. Mag-i-spray ako ng weeds. Pero, before that, mag-ano muna tayo. Before that, mag-pictorial muna tayo ng konti, guys. Namimiss ko kasi yung bahay. Namimiss ko talaga itong wide. Oh my goodness, it's locked. My phone is inside. Magpipicture dapat ako. The car is locked.
There's a what?
The car is locked.
The car is locked.
Yeah.
You need the key for the car?
It's locked.
Fire
Okay.
ants, you can put this on it. I don't know how much. I forget. You have to read it. You don't have to put but like maybe a little bit, like, you know, about this much
Okay.
for a mound.
Ants killer. Fire ant killer. And I'm going to spray the grass or the weeds again.
At the driveway and then over there towards Scott's.
Okay. What is driveway in the middle?
What?
In the middle of this?
No, I mean, yeah, but that would be nice, but I mean, if you can, yeah, but that will take you a while, but if you can, I can mow it first, but I don't think we're gonna have time today. I'm gonna have to hustle just to get finished before dark.
Okay. I already sprayed this one. Ayan. Tapos ko na yan. Ayan. Guys, we're going to sprinkle this fire ant killer. So let's go ahead and look for the, what do you call that, yung parang bahay ng langgam. So we're going to look for ants and we're going to sprinkle them with this ant killer. So there's another one right here. Tapos sa baba. Let's look for saan pa meron. Here, there's another one. And hanap pa tayo. I think there is another one right here. Yeah, another one right here. Saan pa meron? Let's look for... I think that's it. Oh, here, there's a big one. Yeah, it's a big one here. I already finished this one. And this. And there's there. I already finished it. So let's see right here. Oh, here I got one. It really smells bad. I'm trying to avoid them here. Wow, there's a lot. Look, a lot. Sprinkle them. It's big. My goodness, I almost ran out of this. Wow. I don't know what do you call this. Oh, it's a fire ant killer. I'm almost ran out. And I still have a lot. Oh, another one here. Oh my goodness. Bad smell, oh gosh. Charles is there. He's almost finished. He's calling me. Yes, baby? Sure. Look at the cows. They thought we have foods.